are very grateful to all our speakers who have tirelessly helped us to put together this program. They have time and again guided us with the right content.
This summit is shaped in a way that both the days are packed with value-added presentations, case studies and deeper insights in the organizational challenges of the pharmaceutical industry.
I would say this being the first major program for Eminence Business Media, it has been organized very well. You see a number of areas which are very important for project management. They've all been covered here.
Kind of a very good blend, a pedigree of conventional project management and a modern thought processes as well as the practical approaches. So in a way it was a very good blend of program management which is very relevant for the market.
It is an excellent event. I really enjoyed because lot of diversified topics are discussed and lot of interactive session was there. Intellectual landscape, regulatory stringency, so all these topics are covered.
Congratulate EBM and the team, entire team for this successful first event. The same information and the same thing, we can develop our products, we can update our products so that it can meet the challenges of pharma and they can successfully complete their projects.
Wonderful event, and I think it's a wonderful initiative by EBM to bring about all the pharma project management professionals on the same platform, to hear from the leaders about what the best practices in pharma project management are, and also some case studies and some live experiences which were shared.
It was awesome. I loved it. I think it was very different from the other events that I have attended globally. It was a mix of, you know, when you did the drum event, I think what mattered the most was it just gives you a different perspective to project management, right? And I talked about this in terms of rhythm, the cadence, and I think project management has a lot to do with the cadence that you set in the organization. So people may think that how does drum event relate to project management conference? It does.
The last part which I came out from was the drumming event, and it was something unexpected. I was knowing something is happening, but I never knew that the ending will be like this. It was a good event, a different event for me.
Experience has been really good. I've never spoken at a conference of this type before. I mean, thanks to Mohit and the organizers that I got the opportunity, the enthusiasm to come here and speak. I see the same level of enthusiasm in all the speakers, and I think that has been sort of transmitted by the organizing committee at EBM. I mean, they were behind us, they were motivating us.
Great speakers covering most of the different aspects of project and portfolio management. So overall, a really great experience. Somewhere it was easy to connect for the audience with the speaker. That was one thing, because the context which they selected, that was really close to the heart of what day-to-day a project manager or a portfolio manager goes through. So that way I feel the connect was very good.
It was a fantastic experience, and I would say the way the whole event was organized quite many days before, and the preparations that has gone into event, that is clearly reflecting on the way it is coming out and the way it is looking so successful.
The experience is actually the fantastic experience. I never expected. Being a first timer for arranging conferences, you people had done a marvelous, wonderful job. And in fact, people out there inside, they are also enjoying. And there is a good learning experience even for me also as a speaker, even though I have participated as a speaker.
Well, the event was great. Actually, I just connected over a couple of folks from Eminence Media over LinkedIn, over social media, and they introduced us to this particular forum, the summit, which was related to pharma. And the coincidence was we from GFI Informatic India, we are trying to get into the pharma industry in a big way. So this has given us a good launching pad, I would say, in terms of networking with pharma companies, leading pharma companies.
Really good experience. It's a really nice platform where the whole industry can meet. You can brush up your knowledge, you can share your experience, and it's a really nice platform for all PR activities in industry. So you get up-to-date knowledge.
Event is a really memorable event, and it's well organized. I think event is different in the several aspects, I can say, as far as the one is like a delegate profiles is concerned. It's from the almost all the companies I have seen the delegates are participating. Second thing, the kind of the agenda what Eminence has finalized, it's a very diverse agenda.
EBM, they have organized the event excellently.
The event was very interesting. The audience was quite interactive.
Good opportunity we had.
It was excellent. Extremely important for people who just started a career in project management.
I think it was wonderful.